This is the story of a man who said yes. Once upon a time, there was a man who went to a Buddhist monastery for a silent retreat. After he finished, he felt better, calmer, stronger, but something was missing. The teacher said he could talk to one of the monks before he left. The man thought for a while and then asked, "How do you find peace?" The monk said, "I say yes. To everything that happens, I say yes." When the man returned home, he was enlightened. You see, in life, when we accept things, we become calmer and happier. Thanks.